If you are the bread makers, you will love this machine. This toast molder is suitable for all kinds of bread, such as croissant, tart, and baguette. The full machine body is made by the high-quality stainless steel. We have the protection from the roller to the engine. Make sure your fingers will not get hurt. Under the heavy chain net is the conveyor belt. The belt is passed with the international food grade, so it can be touched with the foot directly. In the middle, we have the shelf for place the trays and the material. It is very convenient for the users and increase the efficiency. We have the adjustable bottom for different requests, such as the roller thickness and the dough width and the dough length. You can control the size you want to make your own bread. We have the easy operation on-off switch and the humanization removable wheel. It is such a good helper for the bread maker.